Hi everybody, welcome. Me and my sleepy sidekicks are back. You can see Wyatt. Zena's here too. Can you say hi to everybody? Yes. So we are back with another video for you. This one is a Jewlybox unboxing. Jewlybox is a jewelry subscription service. They switched from monthly to quarterly boxes. So my last one, I guess, would have been about 3 months ago. So I'm curious to see what's in here. You can choose to get 3 items or 5 items. I believe it's $29.99 a month for 3, and I think it goes up to $49.99 for 5. Please don't quote me on that because I can't remember now for sure. But I think that's what it is. So let's check out what is inside my Jewlybox for the month. So here's the inside of my box, and you get a little card here that says, Jewlybox, we believe jewelry is the perfect accessory for an endless supply of confidence. Through empowering women with confidence, we are changing women's lives one piece of jewelry at a time. Our mission is centered around empowering women. We name each one of our pieces after our customers and influential women. Make sure to scan the QR code below with your mobile device to unlock special extras. So there we go. Interesting. I don't think I've gotten that before. So then you get to the little box, which their presentation is very pretty. Wyatt thinks that maybe there is something in there. He probably thought it was a bark box. So pretty. I think the presentation is so pretty. Everything comes inside little jewelry pouches. So Wyatt is still checking out my jewelry pouches now. He's forever hopeful, and now he's getting them all wet. So first up is earrings. And everything comes inside little plastic bags inside the little jewelry pouches. So they come very nicely packaged. And let's see if I can get these out for you to show you. So these are little hoop earrings with extra little gold balls on them. So those are pretty, very elaborate. You guys see those? I'll show you one more time there. Okay, let me see. I will take out the ones I have in and try these on for you. Maybe I will try them on for you. Yep, I got it. Okay. So those are relatively big. And they do not go with the necklace I have on at all. Okay, number 2 is in. So what do you guys think of those? Very big, but they're cute. All right, let's take off this necklace. I'm guessing there's a necklace in here. All right, that was number 1. Number 2. Looks like a necklace. And it's a longer one. So that's very pretty. Looks like it has, yeah, green. I don't know if it was green or blue, but it's definitely greens. And I like that it has an adjustable chain here, so you can make it a little bit shorter if you wanted to. If you guys can see that. It has all these extra little chains hanging off of it. Yeah, there you go. You can see it a little bit better that way. See how it has all those extra little dangly chains there. That's pretty. Okay, last item. It's a bracelet. So check that out. I think I got something similar in my very first Jewlybox. Not exactly the same, but similar. So let's see what that looks like on. So that's pretty. And it's definitely adjustable since it has the opening there. So yeah. So that's my Jewlybox for this quarter. So let me know what you think by commenting down below, please. I hope you enjoyed this video. I always love jewelry. I'm not sure what I think about these earrings, but I do like the necklace. I think it's very pretty. And the bracelet we'll have to see here. Just as long as these aren't flapping in my way, then I think it will be fine. And for the most part, it should be. It is very cute. I'll just have to see about these. But they're very lightweight, so hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider giving me a like and hitting that thumbs up. I'd love it if you would hit subscribe. And if you have already, thank you, thank you, thank you. For me and my sleepy sidekicks, which Wyatt is already asleep and Zena is headed in that direction as well. We're so glad you joined us today. Thank you and have a great day. Till next time. Bye, everybody.